Okay, good morning friends. We'll start the chapter number 7, and previously we discussed about the diversity in living organism, chapter number 7. So for that, as we know that the each organism is different from all others, so we have to compare with your friends. Okay, you have to compare your height, you have compared with your nose, you have compared with ear, you compare with your eyes, hand span. Okay, you have to be observed and compared with your friends. So you observe that your height is different, your nose shape is different, your hand span is different, color of eyes is also different. So we and our friends have a lot of common, but when we compare ourselves with a monkey, but suppose we were to add a cow to the comparison, we would then think that the monkey has a lot more in common with us than with the cow. So for that we take the activity 7.1. So first we have heard of desi cows and jersey cow, as you know that. Now does desi cow look like a jersey cow? So answer will be desi cows and jersey cows are not similar to each other. Next question, do all desi cows look alike? No, there is a minor difference we have observed between them. Next question, will we able to identify a jersey cow in a crowd of desi cows that don't look like each other? Yes, upon keen observation we can identify. Then next question, what is the basis of our identifications? So for that, the external appearance of both the cow is different. Indian cows have hump, they are very flexible and have loose skin. They do not have spots on the body. While in jersey cow does not have hump and is not flexible. Its body has big black spots which make them easily identifiable, and thus the basis of identification is the different in them. We have to be observed. Here the great variety of life that arose on the earth is subdivided according to their physical features and other fundamental differences. We have to be observed. Life on earth is very varied. Life on earth is very varied. Great variety is seen in living organism regarding size, lifespan, colors. Different example can be cited to elucidate these facts. By taking into consideration the similarities and differences, various organisms are grouped accordingly. Now we take the in-text question first. Why do we classify organisms? So for that, classification is the science by which all the living organisms are grouped according to their similarities in characteristics. This makes studying the different life forms possible. We also come to know about evolutionary processes that must have taken place while fixing some characters and eliminating others. The affinity and the interrelationship between different groups of organisms can be studied by the classifying them. And if organisms are not classified, it will become confusing to track and identify each individual species, and classification makes them tasks easier. Then next question, give 3 examples of the range of variation that you see in the life forms around you. So as we previously discussed about the range of variations observed as per the criteria of size, color, feeding modes and lifespan. So first we take the size. So mosquito and housefly are tiny insects, while cow, buffalo, these animals are huge animals. And we also see tiny tulsi plant and compared with the huge banyan tree. So size will be different. Similarly in color, so differently colored leaves and fruits of plants are observed. Great variation is seen in peacock and crow when their colors are compared. Then feeding method, that is feeding mode. Birds like sparrow and pigeon picks up the grains, with their beaks, but birds like owl and the crow capture our prey and devour it. Herbivorous cow eat grass by grazing, while those like dogs and cats pounce on prey and bite their foods to pieces. And the next variation, that is lifespan. Flies and mosquitoes are very short lived, like, while dogs can live up to 15 to 20 years. So this type of variation we can be observed in different criteria of size, color, feeding method, life span,